and welcome. It is almost Valentine's Day and I am ready to set the mood by painting this candle holder. Y'all, I made this from a mold from Happy Dotting Company, so it only makes sense to use their latest flex stencil with the 18 segments to make our guidelines. Everything you need to do this project will be listed down below and links. I'm going to leave you the paint colors here in this corner and the tools over here. If you have any other questions, I want you to let me know in the comments. Y'all, today I'm going to be using these brand new tools from Happy Dotting Company. Thank you so much, Angela, for thinking of me. You know I already love your fine dotting tool. These styluses are awesome and they don't roll around my desk. I'm going to give the rest of them a try today and we are going to spread the love. Let's get going. This week's random channel member shout out is to Lisa. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. You guys, I just wanted to let you know that a good portion of all of my videos is completely made possible by the channel members. That's why I do these random shout outs. I know it's not much, but it means an awful lot to me that they make these videos possible. Thank you so much, channel members. You guys totally rock. And thank the rest of you for subscribing and liking and sharing. That also makes these videos possible. Without y'all, there would be no use for these videos. I totally appreciate you. And I love hanging out with you. Now I'll be quiet so we can paint some more. Oh my gosh, you guys, how fun and playful is this candle holder? I think it is just perfect. If you are like me and your one true love in the world is your children, this is a great fun thing to do. I hope you guys give it a try. Everything you need is down there in that description. Go check it out, y'all. Do all of those things that support my channel, and I hope you consider channel memberships. They really are keeping this channel afloat right now. All right, you guys, let's set the mood for some Valentine's Day love.
Ooh la la.
Okay, you guys, that's about as good as you're getting it from me, but I'll leave you a whole bunch of pretty videos right here, and I hope you guys have a lovely day, and until next time, rock on.